Hello students, hope you have completed up to question number 4 of exercise 2b, and now we'll be proceeding to question number 5 of exercise 2b. We'll be discussing some of the question related to that 5, 6, 7. So first question is 5 bit 5. 5 bit 5 it is said, it is given that we have to multiply. Here in this exercise we have to multiply only. So 4a square plus 2ab plus b square is multiplied with 2a minus b, is multiplied with 2a minus b. So what will be doing? 4a square, I am writing 4a square, then bracket of 2a minus b, then plus 2ab into bracket of 2a minus b, then again plus b square into bracket of 2a minus. So 4 into 2 is 8. A square plus 2 plus 1 is 3. So 8a cube. 4a square into minus b is minus 4a square b. Now again 2 into 2 is 4. A into A is a square and b is left. 4a square b. 2ab into minus b means 2ab into b is b square. Plus into minus is minus, that's why I have written minus here. Then b square plus b square into 2a, it will become 2ab square. Now what is left here? B square. B square into minus b will become, first of all I am writing minus sign, then b square into b is minus b cube. 2 plus 1 is power will be added, it is coming out to b cube. So some terms are getting cancelled. 4 minus 4a square b plus 4a square b. 4a square minus 4a square, you don't have to plus it, you have to see the sign on the left. Left is the sign is defined, the term sign is defined always on the left side. So 4a square minus 4a square b, this term will be cancelled. 2ab square minus 2ab square will be cancelled. So what is left here? 8a cube minus b cube. So these are the terms which is left. So this is question number 5 bit 5. Okay, 5 bit 8. So 5 bit 8 will be doing, here it is given x cube plus x square plus x plus 1 into x square minus 1. So what we have to do? We will be multiplying x square, x cube into x square minus 1, then plus x square into x square minus 1, then plus x into x square minus 1, then plus 1 into x square minus 1. Now the terms, x cube, 3 plus 2 is 5, x to power 5. x3 into minus 1 is minus x3. x4, 2 plus 2 is 4. Here also plus into minus is minus. So x square, and then again x cube plus, this will be x cube, x square into, here it is minus x, x into minus 1 is minus x, plus 1 into x is x square, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. So some terms are getting cancelled. Plus x cube minus x cube, this will be getting cancelled. Plus x square minus x square is getting cancelled. So what are the terms which is remaining? x5 plus x4 plus, here it is remaining minus x minus 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 terms has been cancelled. Only 4 terms are left. So this is question number 5 bit 8. Okay. Now 6 bit 2. 6 bit 2 it is given 2L plus 3M. 2L plus 3M plus 4N. 5L minus 6M minus 4N. So this we have to multiply. 2L into entire term. 2L into 5L minus 6M minus 4N. 2L into this entire term. Then 3M into 5L, this entire term, minus 6M minus 4N. Then plus 4N into entire term. This 5L minus 6M minus 4N. So this will be multiplied. 2 into 5 is 10L square. Then 2 into 6 is minus 12LM. 2 into 4 is 8 minus 8. 2 into minus 4 is minus 8LN. Then 3 into 5 is 15LM. 3 into minus 6 is minus 18M square. Then 3 into 4 is minus 12. We are having minus 12N square. M into, we are getting M into N. This is not N square. This is M into N. 3 into 4 is minus 12. M into N is minus N. And here again 4 into 5 is 20 Ln. Then 4 into 6 is minus 24 Mn. 4 into minus 4 is minus 16 N square. So what are the terms which are like term? We are able to see. First of all, I can write 10L square. Then here it is given minus 18 M square. Then it is given minus, we can write here 10L square. One more L square is minus 16N square. Now the like terms will be getting 15 Lm minus 12 is becoming plus 3 Lm. Then Ln 20 Ln minus 8 is plus 12 Ln. Then 24 minus 24 Mn and minus 12 Mn will become minus 36 Mn. So this is question number 6 bit 2. Okay, question number 6 bit 5 we will be doing. So in the question it is given a square plus a minus 3 into 2a square minus a plus 5. This is given. So I will be writing here a square into 2a square minus a plus 5. Then plus a into 2a square minus a plus 5. A into 2a square minus a minus 3 into 2a square minus a plus 5. So this all the terms are getting multiplied. A square into a square. It will become 2a4. A square into minus a is become minus a cube. And a square into 5 will become 5a square. 2a into 2a square will become 2a cube. A into minus a will become minus a square. A into 5 will become 5a. Minus 3 into 2 will become minus 6 a square, minus 3 into a become plus 3a, minus minus will become plus, and minus 3 into 5 is minus 15. So we are getting 2a4. What are the a cube terms? So one a cube term is there, 2a cube, minus a cube is plus a cube. 5a square minus a square is 4a square. 4a square minus 6a square minus 2a square. Then 3a plus 5 is 8a. And then minus 15. Only one constant term is there. So this is question number 6 bit 5. Okay, 7 bit 3. 7 bit 3 it is given a square plus a plus 4. We have to multiply it by a minus 4. We are doing it by column method. So a into a square will become a cube. A into a is a square. A into 4 is plus 4a. So a is multiplied with all the three terms. Now the second term is minus 4. Minus 4 into a square will become minus 4 a square. I am writing just below the a square term, because the like terms will be writing accordingly in the same column. So a into a, I am again moving to minus 4 into a is minus 4a. Another term which is left is minus 4 into 4 plus 4 will become minus 16. This is minus 16. So a cube we are getting plus minus will become minus, and as you are able to see that sign of the bigger number is minus, so you will be getting minus, and we have to do minus only. 4 minus 1 is 3, minus 3a square, and this is plus 4 minus 4 will become 0, and this is minus 16. So this is 7 bit 3. So answer for this question is a cube minus 3a square minus 16. But in the book 7 bit 3 question is given a square plus a plus 4 and a minus 2. We have to multiply it by a minus 2. So again we'll be doing that. I have taken that is also one of the examples you can see. So here it is a minus 2. So a minus 2 we have to multiply. So what will be getting? A into a is a cube. A into a is a square, and a into 4 is 4a, and then minus 2 into a is minus 2a square, and then minus 2 into a is minus 2a, and then minus 2 into 4 is minus 8. So are we getting, first thing is we are getting a, so from here we are getting a cube, and this is a square minus a square, because plus minus is minus, and this is 2a minus 8. So this is, first of all we have multiplied a with a is a cube, a into a is a square, a into 4 is 4a. Now minus 2 into a is minus 2a square, minus 2 into a is minus 2a, and minus 2 into 4 is minus 8. So we are getting a cube minus a square plus 2a minus 8. So this is question number 7 bit 3. Okay, so we are getting a cube minus a square plus 2a minus 8. So answer for this question in the book is given wrong, because if it is of the form, in the book it is given a cube minus 8, so it should be here plus 2a. but we are not having here plus 2a because it is of the form you will be studying in higher standard aq minus bq formula. With respect to that, we can simplify it. So this is wrong. Accordingly, the answer given in the book is wrong. So this is the correct answer. 7-bit 5. Okay, 7-bit 5. In the question it is given x plus y into x minus y, and it is given x square plus y square. So will be again x. First will be multiplying these two terms. If it is given 2 into 3 into 6 into 5, suppose. So we are multiplying first two terms, then we are multiplying the answer of this 2 into 3, 6 into 5. So same thing will be doing here. First we'll be multiplying these two terms, and then we'll be multiplying the answer of this term with the remaining part. So x into x minus y, then plus y into x minus y. This entire thing, and this thing I will be keeping here as it is. X into x is x square. You can take bracket here, and x into minus y is minus xy, plus y into x is plus xy, and y into minus y is minus y square. So this is x square plus y square. So this we are getting x square, this and this term is getting cancelled. So this is x square minus y square, and this is x square plus y square. Again we can multiply x square into x square plus y square minus y square into x square plus y square. So we are getting x square, x to power 4, 2 plus 2 is 4, and x square y square, x square into y square is x square y square. Again minus y square into x square is minus x square y square, or minus y square x square, same thing only. Minus y square into plus y square, it will become y square, 2 plus 2 will become 4, so y to power 4. So this and this term is getting cancelled, so it is x4 minus y4. So this is question number 7 bit 5. So we have completed this entire exercise. Hope you will be able to solve the remaining questions. If you are still facing any doubt, then you can ask us in our WhatsApp group, and for that only we will be keeping. So we will be discussing the next part, that is division, in the next class. Okay, thank you.